Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back to test out a product known as the Duvolle Radiance Skin Care System. So this item is a dupe for the Clarisonic. As a lot of people know, the Clarisonic is not the cheapest spin brush available. It's like $200 for the brush itself plus the attachments that you may need to replace all the time. Okay, so just to preface this video, I was sent this product by the company. However, this review is a completely honest review of how I feel about the product, and if you're interested, the promo code SPRING 2019 can be used for 70% off this product. And just to let you know, this brush set is originally $98. However, with the promo code SPRING 2019, that will reduce that price to only $28. So if you're really interested in trying it out, I think that this is a great deal for you to test out these brushes and really see how it feels for you. So, introducing the Radiance Skincare System. So as you can see, it comes with a spin brush, body brush, pumice stone, and there's a cleansing brush and an exfoliating brush. So I'm gonna whip this out and show you guys up close and personal. So this is what it looks like. All 4 brushes and the okay, I'll get that. But anyways, yeah, so I'm going to be testing out this soon in the shower, and I'll let you know my thoughts on it. The brush head that I'm really interested in are mostly the facial ones, so like the cleansing brush and the exfoliating brush, because I feel like with me, my pores never really get that good of a clean, and so if this brush could really help me with that, that would be awesome. The one that I'm kind of hesitant about is the pumice stone. So under my feet, like under my right foot, I have some hard areas of my skin that are pretty rough, and I've never been able to really smooth it out. So I'm hoping that the pumice stone brush works, but also I'm kind of scared because I don't know, it's gonna be hard, but we'll see. The body brush I'm kind of excited about because it seems like so big and it'll really help me really exfoliate the dead skin off my body. So we'll see how it goes. So let's get right into the shower. Hey y'all! So right now I'm about to go hop in the shower, get a little cleaning in, and specifically I'm going to be using the body brush as well as the cleansing brush, and then at the end I'm gonna use the pumice stone and we'll see how it goes. But I'm super excited because I'm ready to try it out and see if these brushes are really worth buying, but I have a good feeling that it's gonna turn out well. Today I'm going to be using the Biore baking soda exfoliating pore cleanser, and I really like this one because it has little beads in it that really exfoliate my skin. I'm using the cleanser brush because I feel like the beads in this already will exfoliate my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get like a pump or so on there, and then I'm going to go ahead and just run that all over my face. It is super gentle, like crazy gentle. The bristles are really soft. Alright, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it out with the exfoliating brush to really get in there in my pores. So this is the pore brush, or this is the exfoliating brush. Let's go ahead and give it a whirl. Oh, this one is still pretty soft as well, but I must say it does have more of a firm feeling. Only slightly more than the last one. It doesn't feel like you're sanding your skin. It's still definitely pretty gentle, but I could feel it exfoliating my skin better as compared to the last one. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face and then get back to you with the body brush, and in the end I'll tell you how I feel about everything. I'm just gonna use some Bath and Body Works 1000 Wishes shower gel, and I'm gonna add that onto my brush. Hello?
Hello.
Hi baby, I'm showering.
You're the one still?
Yes! So I got it on the brush and now I'm gonna try it out. Let's see how it goes. So the body brush was pretty good. It did feel a little bit firmer than I had expected, but it did a good job with exfoliating my skin and also getting off any dirt that I possibly had on me. Okay, I warn you, skip this part if you don't like nasty feet. Alright, now this is the brush that I feel the most hesitant about. As you can see in my foot, it is not in the best condition. I do have a lot of like really bad dry skin here and mostly like on top and on this side, as you can see. And I'm going to be using the pumice stone. After the shower, I did let it soak in the water and it is dry now per the instruction of the manual. And let's go see if this pumice stone works. Kind of nervous, but I hope the results are good. Just to give you a closer look. So this is another part of my foot that I would like to go over, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so after polishing my foot for like a few minutes, I think that it definitely did take off some skin. It does feel smoother, however, it still kind of looks pretty bad, you know? It doesn't feel bad. It feels pretty smooth except for the parts that I missed, maybe around here, that just won't come off. As for this little thing, definitely like feels smoother, but it doesn't look much better. Nonetheless, I think I just need to like keep trying it every time I shower or every time I can soak my feet, because I think it's just one of those things that I need to keep on working at and it'll get better eventually. But it's not bad, the pumice stone. I'll give it a pretty good. So I forgot to film the outro last time, so I'm filming it now. These are my final thoughts. The cleansing facial brush and the exfoliating brush both did a great job on my face. It helped clean up anything that was on there, like dirt and oil, and I really felt that it was not too harsh on the skin. As for the body brush, it was kind of firm, but that's good for exfoliating your skin in case you wanted to get any dead skin off your body, as well as scraping off any dirt. And then the pumice stone did a good job with smoothing over the hard spots on my foot. However, it didn't necessarily get everything out, but I don't expect that to happen on the first try. I'm going to keep on using it and see how it goes. But just to remind you, if you use the code SPRING2019, it'll give you 70% off this spin system, and it would be $28.50. So if you're interested, feel free to click on the link in my description and leave any comments and suggestions you want me to do next in the following video. I hope this video was informative, or at least interesting to you, and I hope it wasn't too gross, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!